Welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 4 for grade 3 mathematics. Guys, we were studying about the long division and we completed the questions related to it, and we completed up to G. I repeat the method of division, guys. This is very simple. When you have to divide, like suppose I explain this one to you, 126 divided by 2. So the first thing what you have to do is to draw a division symbol. Then you have to write dividend inside the number which you are dividing. And you know it, that what is dividend. This is dividend 126, 2 is divisor, and 63 will be answer. So you write dividend inside, and because you want to divide 126 by 2, that's why you will write 2 outside. Then what is the way to divide? You will check with the first digit. The first digit here is 1. So 1 is smaller than 2. 1 doesn't come in the table of 2. So you will not consider 1 digit here, then you will have to consider 2 digits here. 12. Now check the table of 2. How many times 2 will give you 12? So 2 1 times 2, 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6, 2 4 times 8, 2 5 times 10, and 2 6 times 12. So because 2 into 6 will give you 12, so you will write 6 here and you will write 12 inside. 12 just below to the 12. The next step is to subtract 12 minus 12, 0. Then you will put this 6 down. This 6 will be here. Now you will check again that in the table of 2, 6 comes or not. So 2 1 times 2, 2 2 times 4, 2 3 times 6. Yes, there is 6 in the table of 2. How many times? 3 times. So you will write 3 here and 6 here. Then 6 minus 6 will be equals to 0. So the answer is 63. Let's take one more example, and let's take 188 divided by 4. The last question which we did, 188 divided by 4. So 188 you write inside because you want to divide 188. You want to divide it by 4, so you will write 4. Now, 4 table you will check. 1 is smaller than 4, so you have to consider 2 digits. 1 8 you will consider. Check the table of 4. Is there 18 in table of 4? 1 times 4, 4, 2 times 4, 8, 3 times 4, 12, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 4, 20. So there is no 18 in table of 4. So you will check the number which is near to 18 and it should be less than. Near to 18, there are two numbers, 20 and 16, which come in the table of 4. But you always go for the number which is less than. So you will go for 16. How many times 4 will give you 16? 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. So you will write just 16. You will write 16 just below to the 18. The next step is to subtract because they are not same. So the answer will not be 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now you will write this 8 down because 2 is smaller than 4. You need one more digit to divide. So it is now 28. You will check the table of 4. How many times 4 will give you 28? 4 by 1, 4, 4 by 2, 8, 4 by 3, 12, 4 by 4, 16, 4 by 5, 20, 4 by 6, 24, and 4 by 7 equals to 28. So 28 minus 28 is equals to 0. The answer is 47. This is how we have to do long division, and we have finished the exercise, finished the questions related to it. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to do division again, but not with the long division method. But I would like to introduce one more method to you that is called repeated subtraction method. That will be called repeated subtraction method. Okay. The same question I will do it for you here. Look. The question was 188 divided by 4. No, leave it. Take a different question. Let's suppose I will take easy question for you, and that is 42 divided by 2 equals to what? 42 divided by 2 equals to what? And today we are going to learn the division from repeated subtraction. Division, here I will write even division by repeated subtraction. Okay, so division by repeated subtraction we are going to learn. So what you have to do, you have to write, you have to divide 42 by 2, and you don't know it will be equals to what. So guys, in division by repeated subtraction, what you will do? First tell me why my voice is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So you want to divide 42 by 2 with repeated subtraction method. So guys, this is very easy. You know how you have to do? I will tell you here. Just you are dividing by 2, multiply 2 by 10 first. 2 by 10 equals to what? Can you tell me 2 by 10 equals to what?
20.
Guys, I need answer from all of you, and I need all of your attention. I need attention. Yes, 2 multiplied by 10 equals to what?
21.
2 multiplied by 10 is equals to 20. What you will do, guys, because you want to divide 42 by 2. So first you will multiply 2 by 10. First you will multiply 2 by 10. This is 42 by 2. And it is equals to what? You don't know. So you are going to multiply 2 by 10 first. That will give you 20. Now what you will do? You will subtract 20 from 42. You are dividing 42, right? Now subtract 20 from 42. Because this is a repeated subtraction method. 2 minus 0, 2. And 4 minus 2, 2. So now 22 left. Again you will multiply 2 by 10. Because you can even minus 2 by 10, again 20. Now subtract 20 from 22. Subtract 20 from 22. 2 minus 0, 2, and 2 minus 2, 0. Now the number which is left, that is 2. So now you are not going to multiply 2 by 10 because you need only 2. So you will think what number you should multiply to get 2. So it is 1. So now you will multiply 2 by 1, that is equals to 2, and it will be 2 minus 2, and that is equals to 0. So now your division is complete. You just have to find the answer. So you multiply first by 10, then again by 10, and then by 1. 2 by 10 first, then 2 by 10, and then 2 by 1. So in order to find the answer, you will add 10 plus 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 10, 20, and 20 plus 1, 21. So 42 divided by 2 is equals to 21. Is it clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Good. Good. I again repeat, guys, whatever the number you are dividing, so you will start multiplying the number with 10, multiply with 10, subtract with the total. After that, whatever the number you get, check. If it is possible to multiply by 10 again, then go for multiplying again. When you see there is a number which is smaller, so you will not go for multiplying by 10. You will just look for a number that you multiply by which number to get the same number. And after that, you will add the numbers by which you multiply 10, 10 and 1. In the end, you will find the answer. Am I clear to you guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's take one more example, guys. Let's take one more example. Let's suppose it is 66 divided by 3. Let's suppose it is 66 divided by 3. So you want to divide 66 by 3. You want to divide 66 by 3. You want to divide 66 by 3. This is your question. 66 divided by 3 equals to what? So again, what you are going to do, you are going to multiply 3 by 10 first. 3 by 10 equals to, yes guys, 3 by 10 equals to 30. 3 by 10 equals to 30. So you will write 30. 3 by 10 equals to 30. So you will write 30. And you will minus it from the total, which is 66. 66 minus 30. So 6 minus 0, 6, and 6 minus 3, 3. It is 36 now. Now again you will multiply 3 by 10. So 3 by 10, again you will get 30. Now you will subtract 30 again but now from 36 you will subtract 6 minus 0, 6, and 3 minus 3, 0. Now you have only number which is left, that is 6. So you can't multiply 3 to 10 because 3 10 will give you 30 and you need only 6. So you will check table of 3 that how many times 3 will give you 6. So 2 times it will give you 6. So 3 times 2 will give you 6. So 6 minus 6 will be equals to, this is you write 6 and it will be equals to 0. Now for answer, what you will do? Add 10, 10 and 2. 10, 10 and 2. So 10 plus 10, that's equals to 20. And 20 plus 2, that's equals to 22. So the answer is 22. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So what you have to do, guys, you have to multiply by 10 until you find a smaller number. Every time you multiply by 10, you subtract from the total. Next time you multiply by 10, you subtract the amount which is left. Once you have the number which is smaller, which you cannot find the answer by multiplying 10, then think about a number, which number you should multiply to get the same number. And in the end, you will add all the number you multiplied. And in that way, you will find the answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Guys, if you did not understand anything, you can send the message in the chat box. And I will repeat for you, because after this, we will come to the notebook and we will do some questions with the help of repeated subtraction method also. Okay, Sharif said he don't understand. I will take Sharif. If any other student who think that he doesn't understand and who want me to repeat, I will repeat for you. Yes, Sharif.
Sir, Why
Mhm.
we multiply 3 by 10 and we didn't, and why you write 10 10 10 too, and why you subtract with them?
Because this is repeated subtraction method.
So when we multiply all of these numbers, if we get 0 at the end, we can subtract with these all three numbers.
No, if you find the 0 in the end, that's mean your division is solved.
Complete.
Yeah, it's complete. That's why you will have 0. Like, look, listen, Sharif, you have learned one method for division, long division. Okay. In long division, you should read the table again and again, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times. But in repeated subtraction method, it makes you easy because every time you have to multiply by 10, and in the end, only last time you have to multiply a number by any number which is left. Otherwise, you multiply by 10, right?
At the end, 3 multiply or 1, 2, 3.
At the end, you have to multiply from 1 to 9. Otherwise, you have to multiply 10, 10 every time until you find the smaller number, and then you will go for 1 to 9. So this is another way. This is another method. I'm not saying that use this method always. Whatever makes you easy, use that method. But you should know that there are different methods for division. And maybe you find long division easy. Maybe some other student find this method easy. So it's up to you. But you should know all methods, right?
Right.
Good. Yes, guys. Any other student? The answer of 42 was 21. Okay, guys. So I'm going to share a new screen with you where we are going to do some work. Okay. So take out your notebooks, guys. On the top of the page, write the heading. Write the date first. That is 8 December 2021. Then write the day. This is Wednesday. And heading will be division by repeated subtraction. Heading should be division by repeated subtraction. I'm going to share a screen with you where you start writing. Can you see the screen, guys? Yes. Very good. Write the question. Solve the following by repeated subtraction method. Okay. Solve the following by repeated subtraction method. The full question number 1 is 87 divided by 3. That is equals to 29. Okay. So 87 divided by 3 equals to 29. How it is solved? You multiply 3 by 10 first. When you multiply 3 by 10, you get 30. So you will subtract 30 from 87. 7 minus 0, 7. 8 minus 3, 5. It is now 57. Again, you have to multiply by 10. 3 by 10, 30. Now you will subtract 30 from 57. 7 minus 0, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. So it is 27. Now, if you again multiply 3 by 10, so you will get 30, which is more than 27. So you need to think a number, which number you should multiply by 3 to get 27. So it is 9. 3 by 9 will give you 27. So 27 minus 27, 0. Then for the answer, what you will do? This is 10. The number you multiply it with are 10 plus also 10 and plus this is 9. So they both are equals to 10 plus 10 plus 9 and they are 29. So 87 divided by 3 is equals to 29. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Very good. So complete this question. Then I'm going to start the question number 2 for it. Question number 2 for it. Question number 2 for it. Question number 2 I'm going to take from table of 4. B is 108 divided by 4 equals to what? So guys, you have to divide 108 by 4. How you will do, guys? 108 by 4. So I will multiply 4 by, yes, I will multiply 4 by
4 by 10.
multiplied by-
4 by 10.
4 by
Very
10.
4 by 10. 4 multiplied by 10. I will multiply 4 by 10. 4 by 10. So 4 multiplied by 10 equals to, yes guys, 4 multiplied by 10 equals to
40.
very good. 40. 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40. Now I need to subtract 40 from 108. I will subtract 40 from 108. So 8 minus 0 equals to 8. From 0 I cannot subtract 4. 10 minus 4 will give me 6. So it is 68. It is 68. I multiply 4 by 10 and that's equals to 40. I subtract from 108, so it is now 68. Now 68 we have. So guys, I again have to multiply 4 by 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. I have to multiply 4 by 10 again. Why? Because 68 is a bigger number. If I multiply 4 by 10, the answer will be 40. So I can minus 40 from 68. So again I multiply 40 and here I need to subtract again from 68. Now I will subtract 40. 68 minus 40. When you subtract 40 from 68, the answer will be 8 minus 0 will be 8 and 6 minus 4 will be 2. So it is now 28. It is now 28. So now 28 is left, guys. Tell me, again I have to multiply 4 by 10.
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Check, 28 is left. Now I need to multiply again 4 by 10.
No.
No,
No,
sir.
Very good. No, because 28 is left and 4 multiplied by 10 will give me 40. So 28 is less. 28 is less than 40. So I cannot multiply 4 by 10 now. Now I will have to think that 4 multiplied by what will give me 28. Yes, guys, can you tell me 4 multiplied by what will give me 28?
By 7. By 7.
Very good. 4 by 7 is equals to 28. So we will write here 4 by 7 and that's equals to 28. Now we will subtract 28 from 28. 28 minus 28 is 0. 8 minus 8 is also 0 and 2 minus 2 is also 0. Now we will find the answer. For finding the answer, quotient is equals to, we will check. We multiply the number with 10, 10 and 7. 10, 10 and 7. These are the number we multiply with. So we will add them. 10 plus 10 plus 7. So 10 plus 10, 20 and 20 plus 7, 27. So the answer is 27. Is it correct, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I know it. In my
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. So it is 27. 108 divided by 4 equals to 27. I can also show you here by long division. 108 divided by 4. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Minus 8 from 10. 2 is left. 8 will be down. And 4 into 7 equals to 28. So look, this is also 27. So any way you will use, you will find the same answer. If your answer is not same, that means you did mistake somewhere. Guys, did you complete question number B? Can I write C now?
Yes. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute to complete it right now. Okay. The next question is 190 divided by 5. 190 divided by 5. 190 divided by 5. One hundred and 90 divided by 5. So I have to use the table of 5. So, yes, you have to write in the notebook. Why to ask it? I ask you to write it. Complete it in your notebook, guys. 190 divided by 5. So guys, I should multiply 5 by
10.
5 by 10 equals to
Oh my God. Love it. I love it.
very good. I will take one student with me who will try to solve. And Mackie Al-Neil. Mackie, can you hear me? Mackie Al-Neil, can you hear me? No. Muhammad Fadi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. I am solving 190 by 5 with repeated subtraction method. Can you help me out?
Yeah. 5
Mhm.
multiplied by 10 equal 50.
Good. Then what to do?
And yeah, here 119.
190. Okay.
Subtract 119 and 50. 9
Mhm.
9
Yes.
subtract by
Subtract 0 and 0 first.
0 and 0 0.
Good. 0 and 0 0. Okay. Then 9 minus 5.
9 minus 5 equal
4.
4.
Then 1 minus 0.
40.
1 minus 0. There is 1 also. This 1 minus 0.
1.
1. So 190 minus 50 is equals to 140. Right?
140.
Good. Now what to do?
We will make 5
Mhm.
multiply
Mhm.
by
Mhm.
10
Good.
and 140
Mhm.
subtract by 50.
Okay. We will subtract 50 from 140, right? Subtract it.
0 by 0 0.
Okay.
And 4 subtract 5.
Can you subtract 5 from 4?
5 from 4.
Can you subtract? 4 is smaller, 5 is bigger. So subtract 5 from 14. From 14, subtract 5. 14 minus 5 equals
14 minus 5 equal 9.
9. So this is 90. Right?
90.
Good. Now what to do?
Multiply 5.
Now 5 multiplied by what?
5 multiply by
Again 10.
9.
90 is bigger.
10.
So 5 by 10 equals
90 is
50. Now you will subtract
50
from
and 90.
90. You will subtract from 90.
0,
So
0 minus 0, 0.
hmm,
And 9 subtract 5, 4.
4. So it is 40.
So 4. Yeah.
Now check table of 5. Is there 40 in table of 5?
14 table of 5.
Just let's take other students also with us. Yes, guys, 5 multiplied by what will give us 40?
8. 8. 8.
Very good. 8 equals to 40. Look, guys, Muhammad Fadi helped me to solve this question. Please check it out. Is it correct or not?
Yes.
We can check it is correct
Yes,
by
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's find the answer. This is 40. So we have to minus 40 from 40. And that will be 0. That's mean our division is completed. And now we have to find the answer. For finding the answer, what we will do, we will check the number we multiplied. This is 10, 10, 10, and 8. So 3 tens and 1 8. So let's go down. And quotient is, answer is 10 plus 10 plus 10 and plus 8. So 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, and it is equals to 38. So the answer is 38. 190 divided by 5 is equals to 38. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. I repeat with you guys. 190 you have to divide by 5. So 190 is the number you are dividing. So repeated subtraction you have to use method. So multiply 5 by 10 first. 5 by 10 is 50. Subtract from 190, you will get 140. Then again you will multiply 5 by 10, you will get 50. You will subtract from 140, you will get answer 90. Now 90 is left. So if even you can multiply 5 by 10 because 5 by 10 equals to 50 and 90 is bigger than 50. So you can multiply. So 5 by 10, 50. Subtract from 90, you will get 40. Now you cannot multiply 5 by 10 because 5 by 10 will give you 50 and here is 40. So you have to think a number. You multiply by 5 to get 40. So you check table of 5. So 5 by 8 will give you 40. Subtract 40 from 40. The division is complete. For the answer, add 10, 10, 10 and 8. So it is 38. So the answer is 38. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. Now write D also. D is D. I'm going to give you from the table of 2. $86 divided by 2. D is 86 divided by 2. Guys, we have less time. So if you could not finish it in class, then you will have to complete it by yourself. Okay. 86 divided by 2. So it's very simple. Multiply 2 by 10. This is will give you 20. From 86, when you subtract 20, so it will be 86 minus 20 will be 6 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 2, 6. It will be 66. Now again you will multiply 2 by 10. That will also give you 20. Now you will have to subtract from 66. From 66, you will subtract. When you subtract from 66, so 66 minus 20 is equals to 6 minus 0, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 46. Two by 10 again. And this time you will minus from 46. And here you will get 26, the answer. Then you will again multiply 2 by 10. It will be 6 and 2, 3.